Welcome to Art with Mart, and today as a family we're going to show you a fun game that we really like to play, aren't we? I don't know if we've ever given it a name. Has it got a name?
No.
It's just like crazy bodies, isn't it? We're going to take it in turns to draw a different part of a crazy creature, and then we're going to fold it over so we can't see it, and then somebody else is going to have a go. Now, so we can't see and hear, whoever isn't drawing, who's playing the game, is going to wear these ear defenders and this blindfold. Okay, so who's going to go first? Who wants to play the game first?
I want to go first.
I'll tell you what, Ridley's the youngest. Let's let Ridley play.
Youngest to oldest.
Get off. Ridley is going to put on the blindfold because you can't see what I'm drawing. So I'm going to do the face of this creature. Okay? Let's put a blindfold on. Can you see?
No.
No? Are you sure? And
Now you have to whisper.
can you hear?
No.
Okay, so I'm going to draw the first. I'm going to draw the. I've got to whisper so she can't hear me. I'm going to draw the first part of my character, but Ridley doesn't know what it is.
Stop.
Keep your eyes closed.
Wrigley.
Ridley doesn't know what it is. Okay, so I'm going to do a cheeky dog. Okay, so I'm going to do a round nose like this. We're going to come up at the sides. I'm going to give him some big, cute eyes. Little eyebrows. We're going to give him some big, floppy ears. And a funky hairdo. Right, so what we have to do now is we have to make sure we give our character a neck so Ridley knows what to draw up to, and then we're going to fold over the paper. Now what Ridley has to do is Ridley has to draw the arms and up to the top of the belly. So let's take this off. You take these off. How does that feel? You alright? Okay.
Did you hear anything?
Did you hear anything? No. Right, hang on, I'm going to put the let's put this on first. So now I can't see anything. Ah!
Can you hear anything?
Right, you have to draw
Can you
body.
hear me? Can you hear me?
So I'm not sure we're ready yet. Well, Ridley has to basically draw the next part of the body, and I can't see or hear anything
Draw
that she's
body.
doing. Oh, ow!
We're done.
Finished. Okay, which
Two
part
bits here.
how far did we come down to?
These two bits here.
Eh?
These two bits.
Right, and how far is that? Is that his waist or is that above his belly?
Where his legs will go.
That's where his legs go.
Yeah.
Okay, right, Rids. Alright, okay, so what kind of legs are we going to do? I might draw some people legs, that'd be good, wouldn't it? So I'm going to give him a belt, like that. I'm going to give him some pockets, like this. Some creasy trousers.
That's good.
You like that? It's good, isn't it? And then you're going to give him some shoes.
This guy's tall.
Is he tall? I don't know what the rest of him looks like.
Well, I don't know what bit it looks like.
Smile.
You can't tell me. You'll put him some
There's
boots on.
something funny about your bit and Wrigley's bit.
Is it?
I really want to tell you.
Okay.
Right,
So we've lost the lid. We've got.
Wait, not
He
yet.
always and then what we. That's it. Let's take. You're still alive. We're in there.
Oh, no.
Brilliant. Hang on. Okay. So we're going to unveil our character. Okay. You ready?
Okay, 3, go.
So
That's Wrigley's.
What?
It's a human body.
Ah!
And then
He's not even got any arms. I got Maya drawing it now. Wow, that's
That was
cool,
supposed,
isn't it?
These were supposed to be the legs.
Oh, right.
Arms
Here
and
we
legs because
go.
it's a giraffe. So.
Oh, look, so that's what we've ended up with. How good is that? That's a funny character, isn't it, that one? Well done, should we give Ridley a big clap? Yeah. Let's go. Right, are you doing the head or am I doing the head?
I want to do the head. I want to do the head.
Well, maybe on another go. Right, so Maya's... Oh, I've got to put on these. Hang on, Maya, don't draw anything yet. Are you alright? We've got the paper in the right place?
Yeah.
Beautiful. How are we getting on? You need to be so secretive. So quiet. Is anybody saying anything? I can't hear anything. Oh, so Maya's doing a cheeky face. Ah! He just smacked me in the face.
It would come as a real surprise, wouldn't it? Because you can't see and you can't hear.
It's awful. It's scary. I don't know what's going on.
Dad, that was it.
I can definitely feel that there's something going on over it.
Okay,
Are we alright?
I'm
Can I
done.
open my eyes?
Yeah.
Okay, wow. Right, so is that his neck?
It's a big neck.
Put them on.
Okay, I can only hear a little bit. Not this, you gotta really whisper. I can hear you.
Right, okay. Right, I'm gonna now do... What is going on with this paper? I'm going...
Daddy, you're speaking too loud, I can hear you.
That's okay if you hear this bit. I'm going to do basically his arms and down to his chest. And then Maya can do his belly. Okay, right.
But wouldn't you know what the arms look like?
Why would you know what the arms are like? I'm going to fold it over.
Yeah, but you can't do the belly because the arms will go past the belly. You'll see the
Well, it
arms.
depends how I do it, doesn't it? Shall I do the arms and down to his waist then?
Just do the whole waist.
Okay.
And move the legs.
I'm going to do like...
I can hear you.
I'm going to do like an octopus. Okay.
Made him so spiky.
They're like his suckers.
I can hear that. Suckers.
Maya's got keen ears.
Yeah.
Wait, come on off the table. I've got to be able to
I did
see.
have a shower yesterday.
Did you?
Round
Oh,
of
that's nice.
Because you said Keely is like 16.
Let's get off the table.
I can't really hear much.
Yeah, you can't hear now.
Was this a
Okay.
good decision?
I can't hear much. I want
This one. Oh, gonna have to do that, aren't we, to get his legs? Hang on, if I split that into two
No.
and go down for his legs.
No.
Fold the
I like my
paper.
face mask.
Have you folded it? No.
Yeah, I folded the paper. Guys, right, let's take this off. Oh, it's not all left. Nola's definitely not going to be able to see. Right, so Maya, one leg, two legs. Let me just put on my blind.
I need your help. Keep this down.
Right. Right, I cannot hear anything.
No, I need you.
Okay, Maya's just got to do the legs on her character. Ow! Ow!
Okay.
Just for precautions.
I have done it. I have actually folded it too. Let's reveal our character.
Ow!
Okay, ready? It's the octopus.
It's got the tiniest legs.
It's pony legs.
The pony. Oh, I see. Wow.
Daddy.
There we go.
This is a
It's
crazy
an
character.
octopusy.
Octopusy.
Octopusy. Cool.
Pussycat.
Love it. Yeah. There you have it then, guys. Give it a try. Crazy character drawings. It's like a surprise. Fantastic. Don't forget, put down in the comments what you'd like to see us draw next. See you later, guys. Bye.
Bye.